NortonLifeLock introduces Norton Crypto, which allows users to mine Ethereum, as well as an online cryptocurrency wallet. As part of an early adopter program, Norton Crypto is now available to certain Norton 360 customers. NortonLifeLock introduces Norton Crypto, which allows users to mine Ethereum, as well as an online cryptocurrency wallet. If you like what you see, consider subscribing and liking this video. It would be a great motivation for us to make videos that you love. NortonLifeLock, formerly known as Symantec, has announced Norton Crypto, its own mechanism for customers to mine cryptocurrency. It is an attempt by the corporation to capitalize on the current Bitcoin trend. With the help of the Norton 360 platform, anyone may safely mine Ethereum, a famous cryptocurrency. According to Norton Crypto protects cryptocurrency miners from fraudsters who can plant ransomware during the mining process, jeopardizing their revenues. As the crypto economy becomes a more significant part of our customers' lives, we want to empower them to mine Bitcoin with Norton, a brand they trust, said Vincent Pilette, CEO of NortonLifeLock. Norton Crypto is just another creative example of how we are growing our cyber safety platform to secure our customers' ever-changing digital lives. People can save their earnings straight to their hard drives and track and transfer them to their Norton Crypto wallet. The wallet is saved in the cloud, so if your hard drive fails, you will not lose your data or earnings. In the following weeks, a broader Norton 360 audience is likely to gain access to crypto mining. If you like what you see, consider subscribing and liking this video. It would be a great motivation for us to make videos that you love.